Baby bird falling asleep right in my hand. Pet him like a puppy or dog, and they purr. Birdman Vegan Future Meat.org. Abused from birth to death in factory farms. Look up videos as Farm to Fridge on YouTube. Most consumed are babies, only a few weeks old. Most eat dozens of birds per year, and nearly all are from factory farms. And eggs are actually the cruelest. Baby male chicks are ground up alive because they won't lay eggs or grow selectively bred to grow big enough for meat. And females are life in tiny cages, a day per egg. Vegan is the future. Pet him like a puppy.